Hello everyone, this is Mausam Pandya, your course instructor, and let us continue with our further session that we stopped in the previous session of resistive strain gauge, and we will continue at the point where we stopped last time. Thank you. L by L and delta D by D, that will be very useful when you talk about the equation number 2. And now we talk about Poisson's ratio. Let us recall the Poisson's ratio once again. What was the Poisson's ratio? We use notation mu. You can write down this symbol, or you can use direct mu symbol, but use any one symbol during your derivation. So by definition, that is lateral to longitudinal strain, delta D by D upon delta L by L. So delta D by D is equal to mu into delta L by L from the Poisson's ratio. And what we will do is, once again, we will be substituting this value to the equation number 2, and we will get another equation by substituting as I have shown you. So new equation of the resistance, new resistance Rs, that is rho L into 1 plus delta L by L upon, now we will substitute delta D by D is equal to mu into delta L by L. So that is 1 minus 2 mu into delta L by L, replacing delta D upon D by Poisson's ratio equation. So gradually we are moving towards the generalization of the equation for gauge factor. So let us rationalize the equation. Let us rationalize the equation that we have derived by multiplying numerator and denominator with the same quantity. Rs is equal to rho L into 1 plus delta L by L divided by pi by 4 d square in bracket 1 minus 2 mu into delta L by L. This was our equation, and we will be multiplying this. Let us change the ink color to make it more judgmental or observable, and we'll write down here once again 1 plus 2 mu into delta L by L. Denominator will also be multiplied with the same quantity, 1 plus 2 mu into delta L by L. Delta L by L. Okay. So multiplying the numerator quantities and multiplying the denominator quantities together. So our equation will take place in such a way that we will be able to cancel out certain quantities and rewrite the certain quantities. So numerator is taking place like 1 plus 2 mu 1 plus 2 mu into delta L upon L plus delta L upon L. Actually we are multiplying the two entire brackets of the numerator. By multiplying the denominator bracket, it will give you a square minus b square quantity kind of equation, and here we see. Now once again we are dealing with, in this equation number 4, very small quantities that can be neglected. So let us rewrite the equations. By neglecting the higher power of delta L, that is delta L square. Here we will be neglecting higher power of delta L, and we will rewrite the equation Rs is equal to rho L upon pi by 4 d square in bracket 1 plus 2 mu delta L by L. Here by mistake I am using the notation mu, but it is as good as our Poisson's ratio mu, that we are using V like notation, or we will remove it, don't worry, we will remove it. So and in denominator that was 1 minus 4 mu delta L square by L, so entire term is being 0, so in denominator only 1 is remaining, so I am not writing 1 in the denominator of the equation. And here we will be taking common, that is delta L by L. Before that, let us change our notation that we have used from this equation. Let me take the eraser and I'll remove it, and I'll once again write down the notation that we have been using from the starting of the theory derivation. Now let us take delta L by L common and rewrite the equation. So it will give you 1 plus 1 in bracket 1 plus 2 mu into delta L by L, and bracket completed, and hence we received the equation. Here you see mu is ratio, and we are gradually moving toward the generalized equation of the gauge factor. Keep in mind, this is very important theory for GTU syllabus, and one should remember this very well. After watching this video, you can make practice of deriving at your own, so you will be able to do it at the time of examination. Now let us go further. We will write down the new equation of RS. And actually, what is RS? What is RS? RS is the new resistance that is after change. So R plus delta R. So we can say delta R. Now we will be talking about the change in the resistance. Delta R is equal to RS minus R. So delta R is, now what we'll do is we will subtract the quantity R from the RS. Now what is R? That is rho L by A, and that is rho L by pi by 4 d square. So here straight away I am writing the equation from the RS minus R, rho L upon pi by 4 d square, and rest of the thing 1 plus 2 mu 1 plus 2 mu, or let us say we will be rewriting this equation for the RS. Let me add one more step so you can understand very well. RS is rho L upon pi by 4 d square into, in bracket 1 plus 2 mu delta L by L was taken common, and in bracket, so what is RS? We are making the bracket open, so I am multiplying rho L by pi by 4 d square to the entire bracket, and hence the equation will become like this. So I have just rearranged the equation, and please watch it very carefully what we are doing here. Now what is R? What is R? That is pi by 4 d square quantity equation, that is rho L upon pi by 4 d square. So you look at the first term in the equation of RS. So if I straight away write down delta R, that is RS minus R, so it will, that first term will be subtracted as it is value of R. So remaining equation will be rho L upon pi by 4 d square into delta L upon L into 1 plus 2 mu. So here you see we can use both the terms mu and v, that is actually Poisson's ratio, and I'm rewriting it. And please do not commit the same mistake in the examination that I have shown you here purposefully. So use any one notation. You can use mu as well from the starting. So now delta R we have received, let us say equation number 7. Let us go ahead. So now it is time to again substitute few values. So what was our gauge factor definition? Let us recall it. K is equal to delta R upon R divided by delta L upon L. So we have received delta R, we have got the value of R, and hence you have to divide the entire delta equation by the value of R, that is pi by 4 d square quantity equation, that is rho L upon pi by 4 d square will divide entire delta R. So let us write down, let us take little bit more pain to write down this longer equation. Please keep patience, and here we have our equation rho L upon pi by 4 d square, so that will be cancelled out, and in denominator, entire denominator, that we write down rho delta L upon L. Now you see here, let us take another color to cancel out, say delta L by L will be cancelled out, and here the term rho L upon pi by 4 d square will be cancelled out, and straight away the gauge factor we say 1 plus 2 mu. This is the final equation that you should remember always, and this is the last step of derivation, that you should derive the final equation for us. Remember it very carefully. So let us summarize the equation for today's session. We'll close today's session. So finally, gauge factor is K is equal to 1 plus 2 mu, where mu is Poisson's ratio. Okay. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and like it, and if you have any question, please